Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video I'm showing you guys how you can use NebulaStrap for Roblox. For this tutorial I'm going to be using crims cleaned, so let me guys guide you through the tutorial. So I'll link both down the For S1lent-Basement and the NebulaStrap down in the description below. You should check them both out. Now you want to go to NebulaStrap. So go to the server, and click on download NebulaStrap, and click on NebulaStrap version 1.exe. Set site, just hit on download. Download anyway. Should start downloading. So now it's currently done downloading. So I wanna go to, of course, to File Explorer and then Downloads. Now here is a note I want to tell you guys about. So if you installed Roblox on like the standard user, if you install Roblox on the standard user, you want to make sure you just run NebulaStrap normally. But if you installed it on administrator, you want to right click on this and run as administrator. So for me, I installed Roblox in the standard user, so I'm gonna run this normally. But if you're like doing this in administrator, you have Roblox installed as an administrator, just run the thing as administrator. Alright, so this should pop up, and you should see here Roblox not found. You want to make sure that Roblox is currently running, so to run Roblox, I use Voidstrap. So you wanna open up. So I'm gonna open up for me Voidstrap. It should change it any second now. It should say Roblox attached. Yep, as you can see. So Roblox is currently running. So if you want to like import the flags to Roblox, you want to click on import flag. Choose the JSON file you downloaded. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to do crims cleaned.json. Press on open. This should show up all of these should show up. I'm going to press on apply to Roblox, and then this should show up. Now it should say to you 169 success and some failed, which is okay, and just enjoy playing. Now it should be basically done. Now for this tutorial I'm going to showcase. So yeah, showcase a bit here. So as you can see, so that's basically the whole tutorial. So I close up Roblox, so that means it's not going to work anymore unless you're currently running Roblox. Anyways, that's for today's tutorial video. make sure to like and subscribe, whatever. Well, why am I saying this? Anyways, see you later, guys.